Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to book an hotel room on booking.com. So here's a easy workaround and a quick step-by-step guide on how to book a hotel room in booking.com. So the first thing to do is to go to booking website, which is www.booking.com, or open the booking.com app. Then from there, enter your destination, check in, checkout date, and the number of guests. Then after that, tap or link search to view available hotel. Then use the flit out to narrow down by price, location, rating, or amenities. And after that, you have to select the hotel you like and tap see the availability. Then from there, choose a room type and review the cancellation policy and payment option. So what that is done, tap reserve or book now, then enter your name, your email, your order and other guest details. Then once that is done, add payment details if required or choose to pay at property if available. So once that is confirmed, tap confirm reservation, then you will receive a confirmation email right away. And that's how you can easily book a hotel room on booking.com. Hope you find the video a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.